Hi, to install the CymaFusion Web App on your Android phone, head over to Chrome, type in CymaFusion.com, open the home page. Once you are on the home page, you might already be prompted to install the web app, but that's not always the case. So to make sure this procedure works for everyone, you head to My Account, you log in. Once you're logged in, you go to My Frequencies, and here you should get a prompt, a pink prompt on the bottom of the page saying Install CymaFusion for full screen access. You click Install, you tap Install. When it prompts you to add to the home screen, you tap Add. And now you have your CymaFusion on your home screen from which you can directly access your frequencies. Now this is the same procedure if you're using Edge, if you're using Brave browser, and it's basically the same also on a tablet or on a PC. You will always get, once you get to My Frequencies page, you will get this pink prompt at the bottom of the page asking you to install the app.